we're going to do some dessert. Let me show you this. We're going to get this poaching liquid started. This has been around a long time, too. This is just some red wine. Woo! Oh, Emeril, messy, messy, messy. Messy, messy, messy. What are you doing? Messy, messy, messy. We got a little red wine in our pot. And get that heat just cranked up, right? Then, you want to add some sugar to make that red wine sweet. Now, not only do you want to do that, but take it from me. Before you do anything else, make sure you really dissolve. Make sure you dissolve that sugar. Make sure you dissolve that sugar in the red wine, okay? And when you dissolve it in the red wine, you taste it. Oh, don't even taste it. Just drink it. Actually, you want to make sure that it's got enough sweetness. And when it's the sweetness that you like, I like to add a cinnamon stick. I like to add a couple of peppercorns, black peppercorns. And I like to add a couple of cloves. Okay? Now, this is the poaching liquid. Okay? And what I decided to do was do some pears. I love pears. They're available just about year-round. And right now, they're just perfect. And all kinds of pears are coming out or getting ready to come out. So, hey, you can do it with apples. Do it however you like. You can poach a grapefruit if you want. Simply cut the stem. And then you can either use the technique with a paring knife, or if you feel comfortable, you can just sort of use a peeler. And you peel those pears just like that from the top. See how simple that is? Now, let me show you what you do. Once you get them peeled, you put them inside of your pot, okay? Put them inside of your pot. Then you cover them. You bring it up to a boil, and you let it simmer. Not boil, you let it simmer until they're fork tender. And that's exactly what you do. Look, come here. You just take your knife or a fork, and you make sure that they're fork tender. And then, when you're done, you can either let them cool, or what you can do is you just set a whole pear like that. Some people stuff them. I like a little whipped cream or a little ice cream, garnished with a little mint and some powdered sugar, and they're a dynamite dessert.